Welcome to another section today. We're going to introduce a micro-tasking platform, just like some others we've told you guys about. Today is another new one, and it is with Amazon. Okay, basically, it's a micro-tasking platform. So you go there, you perform simple tasks, and you earn money. So to get started with this platform, you have to register, sign up, and create a free account. So basically, what we have to do is, I'll just type the site right now, then we can start the process of registration so that you can have your free account created. So I don't know if you can see me. Someone says I should always spell it. So this is Amazon, AMAZON. So this is mechanical, MECHANICAL, then Turk. So this is the platform we're going to work with, you guys. So yeah, there we are. So it is called Amazon Mechanical Turk. So to sign up on this platform, you don't have to sign in as a requester unless you have a job you want to share for people to complete for you, then you can sign up as a requester. But if you don't have, but if you want to get paid on this Amazon platform, you have to sign up as a talker. You can see here TRKER. You sign up as a talker. So we're gonna click on get started with Amazon Mechanical Turk. So we're clicking on this. You will see where my cursor is. So are you creating a requester account? I already told you, no, yeah. Creating a worker account. Okay, so it says make money in your spare time, get paid for completing simple tasks. So this is the one we are interested in. So we click here. I already have an account with them. I'm just trying to show you guys the process. So let me see what happens. Okay, guys, so it goes this way. You have to fill in all of this worker registration. So you fill your country here. You fill your country. You fill your country here. Yeah. I am Nigerian, so there is Nigeria. So any country you're from, put your name, your address, your city. Yeah, so your phone number, other information. How did you hear about Amazon Mechanical Turk? Please select. So you fill in that. And then what's the primary reason you're interested in completing tasks on MTurk? I want to earn rewards. I like that I can work from anywhere, anytime. I'm looking for an interesting way to pass time. I want to learn new skills. So guys, anyone that's okay for you, select, then go on to click create an account. Is that okay? I'm not creating a new account because I already have an account with them. So basically, let me just sign in with my own account. So guys, I want you to know that if you're starting on MTurk, you can see where you will not really be able to perform all the tasks you want to perform because you can see this one is $1, 0.07 qualify, but I think they're all completed. Yeah, you won't be able to perform all the tasks as a new member on Amazon Talk, but you can do the hits. You can see your HIT, all hits. Yeah, so one hit, you can see it's highlighted here, one hit. So you have to continue to do the hits. The hits are just micro tags they can give to you as a new member. So once you sign up with Amazon, just go to this hits, HITS, and do the simple task. You can see this one for $0.02, this one is for $0.05. So just accept the work and get it done with, okay? So once you're done, you click on submit. I don't want to accept it. You click on submit. And once the requester is okay with your job, your account will be credited. No, you're going to be paid with your PayPal account. So you want to make sure that the Gmail you're registering is synchronized with your PayPal account. So guys, so don't say, oh, you don't have so many tasks. No, once you complete these two small hits, yeah, you can have more hits. And the more the number of hits you're able to complete, the more you they see you as trusted member on the platform, and then they can introduce you to bigger tasks. So guys, let me know how it goes with you. Get done with your own tasks and then let us know what you were able to achieve. So see you all in our next section. I hope you were able to pick one or two things. So guys, best regards. Bye.